Hi, I'm Tanya, and this project is a design for a job hunting app for creative freelancers to find work. This video will cover 4 key tasks for solutions to key issues found in the design thinking process, plus the task of onboarding. The onboarding process involves filling in some key information, along with a selection of job occupations within the creative industry. These options were given to choose from as they were the most common occupations for users from user surveys. You can then also fill in some information to help build your profile, or you can skip this here and edit your profile later. Task 2 was to find and apply to a job. This was the main purpose of the app, as users want a simple and fast way to do this. The solution was a quick apply button, which would take the information from your profile to use as the work application. There's also an option to customize the application in case users want to add something more to their application that they would see fit a specific job. Users can also use the filter option or search to make the search more specific. The types of job and location, alongside the rate of pay, were most important to users according to the empathize phase data, so these were included in the filter. Task 3 is to visit and edit the user's profile. This solution was included as users expressed in interviews that it was very important for them to showcase their work to clients effectively and without any link to popularity, but still have a fun and social media-like feel to it. This is why there are no follower numbers here. As one of the personas has multiple jobs within the creative freelancing industry, users can choose how many they show on their profile, along with a slideshow of images for each occupation, as most users preferred a slideshow of images as the way to show clients their work. Users can also add their CV and a portfolio document if they want to, as this may give a more detailed description of their work. Users can also edit their profile if they want to change their profile images or information by clicking the edit profile. Once users have applied to some jobs, they can then check their work log, which involves their applications in the application section. There's a progress indicator on the job descriptions because users want to know where they stood with their clients after applying to jobs. If you tap on the job, you will see a longer description, and if you tap the drop down, you can see offers, upcoming jobs, and expired jobs. Let's pretend we have a job offer from the client we applied to. If you click on offers, you can see the progress indicator changed, and you can respond to the offer. The summary comes up to remind the users of the details, and if we accept, it tells us that the client has 24 hours to message you. We can also reject it if we want, but we're going to accept for this. The client has 24 hours to message you with key details of the job, and from then you can communicate with them in the messages section. This job will now be in our upcoming jobs, which you can also access from the job acceptance page. So we can see it here. We can also see our upcoming work in the calendar to make things easier and more visual for the user. So this would be the job that we just confirmed. So we can see the brief description of the job and the date that it was on. We also have the option of cancelling the job or closing. Within 24 hours, the client will have messaged with key details, or the job will be cancelled to allow for users to not have any doubt about whether or not they will work that day, as users expressed that this was a very key pain point of theirs. If you tap the message, you can see some key details consisting of time, location, payment, how it will be paid for transparency and to avoid any awkward conversations about money, which users expressed was a huge pain point. If we go back, we can see that the little orange dot is gone now, as this was only shown to show that there was a new message. Thank you for watching.